Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I will be showing you how to use multiple monitors on TeamViewer. So guys, to proceed with this process, first things first is open up the TeamViewer into your computer, and after that, you can just simply go ahead and try to get the ID of your partner over here, and you can just simply select connect. And of course guys, you have to just simply provide their password, so you will get the password by them as well, and pretty much you can get it and provide it over here and select log on. Now once you are connected guys, as you can see, you should be able to have an option over here at the top, view. Here on the view guys, as you can see, you should be able to see here view monitors. And since my partner only have one monitor, as you can see, it is showing over here. The remote system only has a single monitor, so it is not showing and it is grayed out. But if you do, you should be able to have an option something like this guys, and pretty much you should be able to switch between multiple monitors. And this is the only feature guys that you have in order for you to switch the monitor in the TeamViewer. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.